Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate the coefficient of variation. Let's get started. We'll use an example dataset featuring concentration readings of a protein named Protein X. These readings are in picograms per milliliter. The coefficient of variation, often called CV, measures the precision of an assay. It tells us how consistent the results of an assay are. It's presented as a percentage. To find the CV, you'll need the average of the readings and their standard deviation. First, let's calculate the mean. I'm going to type in equals, and then I'm going to type in average, open bracket, and then I'm going to click and drag the readings that I'm interested in, close the bracket, then hit enter. Next, find the standard deviation. To do this, I'm going to again click on the empty cell and type in equals. Then I'm going to type in STDEV, open bracket, click and drag the readings that you're interested in, close the bracket, and then press enter. Now for the CV formula, it's the standard deviation divided by the mean, all multiplied by 100 to get the percentage. I'm going to click on this empty cell and type in equals, open bracket, and I'm going to click on the SD, standard deviation value, divided by the mean value. Close the bracket because this is what you want to do first, and then multiply everything by 100 because we want to display the CV as a percentage value, then press enter. You'll get the coefficient of variation displayed as a percentage. And that's how you calculate the coefficient of variation using Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.